Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Uthai MC. Let's draw a picture with the letter P. Find out who is that. Now sing the song about the pet. I have a little friend, she is a lovely nightingale. I have a little friend, she is a lovely nightingale. Her beak is thin and wings are brown. She can sing so sweet. Now continue. Do you see the picture here? Who is standing at the window? Yes, the king Ivan. And somebody is there on the windowsill. Yes, our nightingale. What do you see in the sky? Wow, it's full moon. How bright it is. Now, what are they talking about? Let's see. The nightingale is back. One night, Ivan was resting on his royal bed. Royal bed means, yes, the bed of the king, the bed in the palace. He looked out of the window. A full moon was rising. Little stars were blinking to greet the moon. Blinking means shining, twinkling. They are greeting the moon. A soft wind carried the fragrance of wild flowers into the room. Fragrance, smell. A sweet smell comes into the room. From the distant skies, Ivan heard the song of a nightingale. It's my nightingale. Ivan stood up and went to the window. Soon the nightingale came to him and sat on the windowsill. They spoke for a long time. As you said, I became the king. But what happened to the merchant? Ivan asked. Do you remember the prediction? Yes, so Ivan got a doubt. Now he became the king, but what happened to the merchant? Yes. The nightingale then predicted the merchant would become the servant of Ivan. Okay. Oh, your majesty, he is in your palace and he is serving you. Saying this, the nightingale flew away and disappeared into the sky. Your Majesty, supper is ready. Ivan looked at the old servant at his door. So the new servant, the old man, came with the supper. Supper means dinner, the food at night. He could not believe his eyes. It was his old master. Ivan remembered the prediction of the nightingale. He asked, just see the conversation between Ivan and the new servant. Just read it out. Now you can see the three boxes, the three main events. of the story and pick out the sentences and keep the sentences in the suitable box given here. Okay? Now go through the glossary. Just read it, learn it, and you can make your own sentences. See you in the next class with a new lesson, new story. Till then, bye bye.